When in Denver, you gotta stay here. The Riverfront Green by Kasa. We're at Union Station. Come with me as I take you on a tour to this very ultra chic, ultra modern, and very tech residence. When you enter the atrium, you see how light and open and airy this entire place is. And upstairs, you've got the community room, which is a lot like another condo or a family great room. And we are overlooking the street and the river. And here we've got a library for just sitting or an area for sharing with guests, grills and a kitchen already prepared. There's outdoor seating, lots of it, with a fire pit for getting cozy on cold nights. Kasa was born in San Francisco in 2016 by technology, hospitality, and real estate professionals. And you can definitely see all of those influences throughout Kasa. Ultra sleek, ultra modern, and ultra convenient. One of my favorite parts of this place is this. Yeah, fresh coffee anytime I want from Starbucks. And no paper cups here. Bring your own mug from your apartment. But they've got all the creamers and flavors, I think. Yeah, I found it. That salted caramel with a couple of pumps of hazelnut. Ooh. And if you're a show-nuff coffee drinker, you could do this anytime you want. Several times a day. All day and night. Convenient, right? Time to continue the tour to apartment 407. Visit casa.com for more. The sleek, modern tech vibe continues, and instantly the light grabs you as soon as you walk in. Let's check it out. A full kitchen, full fridge and freezer, soft close cabinets, full-size coffee if you want to make it in your room, and this living room, so open and bright. You can see every corner of your apartment from here, but it doesn't stop there. We get our own patio. And I almost forgot to mention, this apartment also has a workspace. So if you're here to have fun but gotta fit some work in, yeah, go for it. Now there are a couple more spaces here. Yes, I love a big bright bathroom, and clearly I love playing in water. There's a full-size washer dryer in every apartment, lots of closet space. And last but not least, more light and an open window to your patio. But this right here, Probably my favorite spot in the whole apartment. Cozied up on the couch with Bay while he takes in a game or two, and we bask in this beautiful Denver sunlight. The style is consistent from top to bottom, through and through. There is no wasted space, and there are art pieces throughout the apartment. There is a function for every form. You can discover more at any of their 45 locations around the country. Book now at Kasa.com. Until next time.